Well, all right, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to show you two things. One, how to make objects float, and also how to move objects with your mind. Come on, let's go. All right, the first trick just involves an empty bottle and a pencil. Watch. Just place the pencil down into the bottle. Watch really close. You can see it start to move. Now, try to get it to make it rise in the bottle. Cool, huh? This next one is really cool with the, I guess I can say I got this at an old antique shop or even a haunted yard sale. You use any dollar, watch. All I do is lay it in my hand, watch it go, watch. Pretty cool. Really easy to do. I'm gonna teach you the secret. Just make sure your friends aren't around. Come on, let's go have some fun. Well, all right, welcome back. We will start with these tricks. Really easy, simple to do. After you see this, you're gonna realize, why didn't I see that or anything? But first off, you're gonna need a bottle, okay? I did not drink all my water today, so. And there you go. You need an empty bottle, all right? Make sure it's clear. That way the label's off. Now here's what you need. You need a pencil. And you also need some thread tied to it with a button here. All right, thread and a button, all right? What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to make this, but I'm gonna show it to you using orange thread. That way we can actually see how it's working, okay? So here we go. All right, so like I said, you're gonna need an empty bottle, a button, a pencil, and some thread. Okay, now we're going to set up the pencil with the thread. Remember, don't use orange, use black, something that would match your shirt, look better. So the first thing we're going to do is tie the pencil with the thread. All right, now I've been tying it earlier and it keeps dropping off. So what I'm going to do, just for extra precaution, I'm going to take a little piece of tape and wrap it around right there, okay? You don't need much, just a little bit. We'll do it like that, tie there like this. Take the access off of the thread and take a little piece of tape. All right. And then we're gonna put it right on here just like this, okay? Now, this is something I didn't mention though before. See how this has a lot of different things on it? If you used the regular yellow pencil or solid pencil, you wouldn't see it turning that much, I don't think. So it'd be better to use something with a design on it like this, okay? It does not have to be the bangles. That's where we're from. I just had it in my drawer, all right? No hard feelings, please, all right. So then we're gonna roll it up a few times like this, okay? And then we'll place it into the bottle, because I just wanna see about how far it's gonna take me before that starts turning. So here's the spool, and there's the pencil, okay? I'm going to go ahead and break it right here. And then I'm going to tie the button onto the other end of the thread here. All right. It's almost as hard as the needle. Okay, there we go. Came through. And then we'll tie this up like here, just like this. Boom. And another boom. There you go. Then you just place that right here into your pants right here. Okay? Oh, just like that. Okay. Now it's all ready to go. Okay. Now you always want to hold the bottle facing everybody. Don't do this way because they might see, I don't know if you can see that there. I don't think you can even see it, but they might see the string right there. Okay. Now all I'm going to do is push the bottle. When I push it towards everybody, you can see it. Watch. It'll start to turn. Watch. You see it turning? Now I'm also pulling my body back too. All right. You don't want much movement of you going forward just like that because they're going to realize something is hooked up to the pencil. Okay. So we're right there. It's already done all the twisting. Now we're going to make it rise. I'm going to pull my body back more. As I pull my body back, I'm going to push the bottle up like this, and there it goes. You see? It starts to come up. You want it to go down? All I'm going to do is pull the bottle back towards my body, and it goes back down. We'll do it again. You don't want to keep doing this forever, okay? And then when you're done, you just let it fall out into your hand like this, all right? And of course, you got to put the pencil away. People might want to check it out, and unfortunately on this trick, you cannot let them check it out. So put it in your pocket and move to something else. Cool? Got it? Perfect. All right, so first thing you're going to do is thread the needle. And ta-da! Oh my goodness, that was harder than the magic trick, threading that needle. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you cut off probably arm's length, okay? From your fingertips all the way up to about here, okay? Then you set this down on the side and you'll get back to that in a second. Now, here's the fold. You wanna try to get a crisp dollar bill. Don't get like an older one. Make sure it's crisp, okay? All you're gonna do is fold it this way once, okay? Then you crease it really good like this, okay? And you're gonna fold it again, fold it down, I'm sorry. Fold it down like this, then crease it really good, okay? Now fold it one more time, just like this, all right? Now you're gonna have all the edges right here, okay? Now you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, bring them all back, all right? Now we're gonna take the needle. Be very careful. You're gonna push it right there, right into the dollar. Okay, right like this, okay? Bring it on through, all right? Set the needle down. Now what you have to do is get a nice size knot right here, okay? So what you do is fold it, roll it a few times into the knot like this, okay? And then you pull it, all right? What we're trying to do is just make a bigger knot than what the hole is so it does not go through the dollar, okay? You gotta try to keep hitting on the same knot. Just keep wrapping it. Okay, but this is worth it. Once you have this trick set up, you're good to go. You don't have to keep doing this every single time. You just put this dollar away and you can use it next time. Okay, there we go. Much, much better, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it. That way it will not go through the hole right there. Okay, now you wanna cut this access off. Do not cut the knot off, all right? Now remember, I'm using orange. You want to use black, okay? All right, so we got that. Then we're going to measure about, let's see, about here to here, okay? Then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a button and tie the thread back through the button, okay? And we'll thread it through there like this. Okay, there we go. All right, good. good. And all right, now this goes also in your pants right here, okay? And you go to open up the dollar like this. All right, now you can't show that too long, all right? You can have it in your pocket, just bring it out like this, okay? Now, I'm gonna set the dollar right here. Between my fingers here is the thread, okay? I'll put it right there. Okay, perfect. I'll show you from the side so you can see it. All I'm gonna do is push my hand away and kind of pull my body back at the same time. I always like to snap and watch the magic happen. And you do it again. And you can feel, I can feel the string, it's turning. There you go. Sometimes if it doesn't crease enough, you gotta kind of flatten it out a little bit. And then you got one more fold, and then boom. There it is like that, all right? And there you go. And then of course, put that away, can't show that either. All right, let me show you again. All right, so the thread is gonna go right there between this finger and this finger, okay? All right, and you just snap, pull your hand out as your body moves back a little bit, and starts to go fold, snap again, folds again, one more time, and boom. There you go. Well, all right. That is really two cool tricks you can do, making something float and then making something magically move. Really cool, really easy to do. But like I said, once you get these set up, they are set. Just, you know, roll up your thread and then you can stick this back down into the bottle. And then same way with the dollar. After you're done with it, keep it folded and you can just wrap it around like this. All right, and put it away in your magic case or in your magic drawer. That way nobody spins it, okay? And there you go. And you'll be set and ready to go. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And also if you have any questions at all, I will try to answer any of them. Just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, thank you guys so much. Have fun doing this magic and I will see you soon.